Animal shelters in Pinellas County are seeing some positive trends. Number of pets coming into the shelters is down, while number of pets getting adopted is up. And 5 pet agencies are working together to keep the positive trends coming.
When you collaborate and work together, you get more done.
And those who are getting it done? Pinellas County Animal Services, Humane Society of Pinellas, SPCA Tampa Bay, Pet Pal Animal Shelter, and the newest partner in 2015, Friends of Strays.
The more that we work together, collect data honestly, analyze it, look at ways that we can better solve the problems and do mega adoption events and work together, we really can do so much more in the community for our homeless animals.
Since 2012, each agency compiles its data using the same reporting matrix. And after 3 years, the data shows
intakes continue to decrease, adoptions have increased, return to owners have increased, and shelter euthanasia has decreased.
And the reasons for these positive trends?
Rescue groups are taking more animals from Pinellas County Animal Services. More owners are finding alternatives to bringing their animals to a shelter. Increased availability for affordable and accessible spay-neuter services, and increased return-to-owner efforts.
Pinellas Pet Partners say this is just the beginning.
It started out with sharing our statistics. Now we're looking at all kinds of joint programs, adoption programs, education programs, all sorts of different things we can do that can impact the lives of animals in our community.
I'm Irina Milasinovic, inside Pinellas.